Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss over your next poem, The Voice of the Rain by Walt Whitman. Poem, The Voice of the Rain, poet Walt Whitman. Listen the introduction of poem carefully. The poem The Voice of the Rain is a statement of facts in an imaginary dialogue form. It describes the life story of clouds. Clouds are transformed shapes of water. They cannot be touched, but they are saviors of nature and all forms of life on the earth. The rain is the song of the earth. The water turns into light vapor, moves upward, wanders in the sky, and finally returns to its birthplace. It is a boon for the dry earth and the drying vegetation. It moves all the layers of dust from every object, but above all, it waters the dry earth, enables the seeds to sprout, germinate, and makes everything clean as well as beautiful. The poet asks the question, and the rain gives the answer of his question. Listen carefully. The dialogue in the form of question answer. And who art thou? And who are you? Art are thou you? Said I to the soft falling shower. Notice the term here. Soft falling shower means soft rain, gentle rain. Or I refers to poet. The poet asks a question to the rain कि who she is. Poet asks a question to the rain कि who she is. Which is strange to tell gave me an answer as here translated. It is very surprising that rain gives answer of his question. It is very surprising because the poet has not expected to get an answer from rain side, and he has translated the answer of rain. I am poem of earth, said the voice of rain. So first line a question which has been asked, and answer poem of earth, song of earth. First three line, poet asks a question to rain who she is, and rain answers his question as rain says she is the song of earth. eternal, I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Again, Rain describes herself, how she gets her birth. Eternal, word eternal, permanent, always. She rises, and word impalpable, something that cannot be touched. Out of land and bottomless sea. Simply, rain tells us that she takes her birth on the land and bottomless sea. She takes her birth from the water bodies on the earth. After taking her birth, upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed altogether changed at the same. After taking her birth, she starts her journey towards heaven, towards sky. In the sky, whence, from where? In the sky, it transformed. The shape of rain changed. Though it is completely changed, but at the same, means the three shapes of rain, particularly vapor, cloud, and water, rain. But in the three shapes, the water occurs. And after taking her form, I descend to leave the drought atoms, dust layers of the globe. After receiving the form of rain, she comes down to the earth and washes the earth globe, washes the whole earth, and gives new life to earth. And all that in them without me were seeds only, latent, unborn. In this line, a very important work of rain, especially water, has been mentioned. Rain is fully responsible for the germination of seeds. If there is no rain, no water, the seeds remain ungerminated, hidden in the earth, ungerminated, latent, hidden. And forever, by day and night, I give back life to my own origin. Rain always gives new life to earth. To her origin means earth, and clean the earth as well as make the earth beautiful. For song, issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, रेग्ड और अनरेग्ड ड्यूली विथ लव रिटर्न, एक सॉन्ग के रूप में कह रहा है, इन द फॉर्म ऑफ ए सॉन्ग. इट राइजेज फ्रॉम इट्स बर्थ प्लेस एंड आफ्टर फुलफिल हिज डिजायर्स, हिज ड्रीम्स, wanders here and there, Raked or unraked, it does not matter for rain. It is noticed or unnoticed, and completely or finally returns to earth with her blessing. Rain or returns to earth with her blessing means rain gives new life to earth. तो इसमें इस पोयम में जैसा कि मैंने आपको इंट्रोडक्शन में बता दिया कि मेन जो इस पोयम का फोकस है वो है रोल ऑफ रेन फॉर ह्यूमन बीइंग एज वेल एज वेजिटेशन, क्या रोल होता है। और पोएट ने इसको जो एक, क्योंकि इमेजिनरी पोयम है, इसमें इमेजिन किया है एक डायलॉग के फॉर्म में उसको लिखा है। और दूसरी चीज़ जो इसमें पर्सनल प्रोनाउन आई यूज किया गया है, यानी इसको एज ए पर्सन के रूप में इसको डिस्क्राइब किया है, तो इसको नोटिस करेंगे। वैसे अगर हम एक्सप्लेन करते हैं, इसकी मीनिंग देते हैं, तो हम रेन के लिए ईट का प्रयोग कर सकते हैं, इसको ध्यान रखेंगे। तो इसमें वही वाटर साइकिल का जो जिक्र है वो पोएट ने किया है। पोएम को पढ़ लेंगे, अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे।